before Kira comes back. Take responsibility before my wife to be Kira comes back.
My prince, what do you want me to do now? I cannot help you in this situation.
That's why I'm here.
There's no way I can pretend to be your wife. I have been the queen's maid for years. She knows how I speak, how I react, how I smell, everything. It will not work. This prank will not work.
Hey, that's true. Huh? We didn't think about this. Hi! Zubike, your brain has failed you again.
I don't know where you find...
But there has to be something we must do.
It will be hard though. Hey, remember. Welcome, Bo. I'm coming. Let me finish.
Is that not your sister, Zonta?
Yes! My prince! We've seen a maiden that will play the role. Assumpta, my sister, she's the perfect person to play it. Trust me, she's very, very stubborn. I know, she will kill it.
I think she's perfect.
Yes.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.